Hey y'all. Hey, welcome back to another AI Mastery session with me, Rosemary Salem. I am super excited because we are making another storybook. This one is going to be really, really different. I'm actually not focused on animation tonight, so we will show one of our latest animation project that was completed live during our 30-day Google Wiz sprint. Today is day 22, so we're almost to our 30-day mark. So yay for us. Thank you to everyone who has been here since day one. Thank you for everyone who's just now chiming in. So Pip is my character. He is a hedgehog that is neurodivergent. I created him to advance the agenda of neurodivergent awareness, social awareness, and acceptance. We are creating another Pip storybook today. To add to his collection, we have 7 published books to date. There are literally at least, I want to say, almost 10 pending completed projects. And we're consistently adding on to his catalog. And I'm just excited about how everything is going. We will be streaming a very special ending to this 30-day sprint with Google Whisk and Google Whisk Animate because I have the beta access. So I've been able to trial the animation tool with Google Whisk, create wonderful, wonderful animations live with you all. But we will be creating Pip's launch cart store. So Launch Cart is a multifaceted e-commerce and CRM platform. They offer a range of services to support online businesses, but you'll see me kind of build out a demo store. This won't be like the official store, but we'll be completing his demo store, and I believe we'll get it up to par enough to at least not on the live stream, but I'll be able to connect the products to like his official YouTube page and things of that nature. So yeah, tonight we're going to be working on Pip's World Tour. I already have everything together. I'm going to share my screen so we can watch Pip with a paintbrush, which is one of our recent animation projects. And then we're going to hop in to designing Pip's World Tour. Now, like I said earlier, this is going to be different because I am going to be using the square dimension. Why? Because I need a break from editing, from the workload that I have now. And you all watched me yesterday go through the storybook. It's very tedious. I'm not saying that it's not worth it, but if I can kind of bypass, at least for the next couple of books, that process, then that's fine. And also, it would allow me to kind of separate the animation projects as a whole from the storybooks. So it'll have 2 separate looks, which makes sense because the storybook is supposed to be different from the animation a little bit. So that to me just kind of really plays into the whole official vibe of building a character that is actually coming alive through animation and having its own entity as soon to be a full-blown show. Okay, so that's what we're doing tonight. And once we wrap with that, that'll be the wrap. But we will be creating his merch line live. So if you are an entrepreneur, you are an artist, creative, you've thought about creating merch, you'll watch me create Pip's merch and you'll see my process. I'm gonna try to show y'all as much as I possibly can, from literally me prompting live, me getting descriptions from AI, SEO, just showing you all just techniques that you all can use for your own benefit, okay? Because it's about AI mastery and yeah, the advancement of everything that we're doing with Pip is really exciting. And every day I get more and more clear and I guess I would say one of the things I got emotional about today was the fact that I literally created this character at a time that, you wouldn't think in that time of my life that I would choose to put all of my energy into a creative project that has yielded me such results. So I really appreciate PIP. We have a lot of aligned curriculum type books. So this is one of those. So PIP's World Tour is really, really going to be kind of like the flagship of the vibe that we're going into moving forward. Okay. So we started off with just, I think I used to do like 6 scenes and now we're up to 20. It's been a gradual growth. We used to have his backpack around his, the backpack went from a backpack to a side pack to I don't know pack. I've been through the ringer with that design, and I'm talking about in the earlier phases, December, January, February. February we kind of got started getting more solid, and then March, really good, strong month. Now we're here April, and I believe that we're literally at that pivotal point where everything is really getting finalized. So I'm excited about how the future projects of PIP is going to look as we continue to design. And yeah, so I am going to share my screen so we can watch PIP with a paintbrush, and then we're going to get into tonight's demos. Well, you'll watch me build tonight.
PIP with a paintbrush, written by Rosemary Salem. PIP finds a shiny paintbrush. PIP picks up the magic brush. PIP tests the magic paintbrush. PIP paints a flower red. PIP paints the grass green. PIP paints the sky blue. PIP paints a butterfly. PIP paints a tree. PIP paints a yellow path. PIP paints a sunny sky. PIP paints a sparkling pond. PIP paints a rainbow. PIP paints a red bird. PIP paints a golden star. PIP paints a heart cloud. PIP paints a polka dot rock. PIP paints a welcome sign. PIP paints a smiley face. PIP celebrates his art.
All right. So that was the end of my latest animation project that I made with Google Whisk Animate and edited with Clipchamp, meta prompts with Grok 3. So that one turned out really, really well. Now we're on Google's homepage. So this is where you come to Whisk. I'm going to get started by scrolling down to start from scratch. And we're just going to hop right into the book. And as soon as we get done, we will be wrapping for tonight. It has been a long week. But nevertheless, I'm always happy to be here with you all. Okay, let me turn the music back on. Let me upload my images first. So yesterday, when I got off stream, I actually did some remakes of some previous book covers for some books that are more so aligned with other ventures that I'm a part of. Um, I have a lot of credentials, so it's been definitely an experience to just, and y'all excuse my background, y'all know. But it's been definitely an experience just learning and understanding the true capabilities of this platform. So the reason why I brought that up, those book covers are for something completely far fetched from anything children's related. It's adult literature, spiritual literature, neurological literature. So from two different aspects, I was able to see them remake some covers that I started to design, and very, very impressed. And I was not only able to successfully create the the cover, like the main cover, the portrait cover, I was even able to go ahead and solidify the audiobook cover. So that really took me less than 10 minutes, you guys, to do. And I did two of them. And these are projects that's been sitting on my computer for a while. And just because of those new covers, I am really, 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 really grateful. And I would show you all, but I'm not a fan of releasing anything until it's done. That's why this journey of creating live has been quite interesting for me, because let's just say when we wrap, I'm not going to be so sad, because AI mastery sessions will still continue for sure, but it will just probably be on things that are more tutorial based, technique based, versus you really watching me demo and create live. I'm gonna start some vibe coding sessions soon. I've told y'all that I had to take a moment, a step back from a lot of my AI projects. I'm not even gonna hold you. It can get a bit overwhelming and overstimulating at some point. So if you're a person and you need to step back, don't feel bad about that. Okay, so like I said, this is the settings tab. Let me go back. So when you click the hamburger but looking button, the three lines, you can choose the template. These are some of the template options, but we won't need that. This is the aspect ratio. I'm changing it to square because this will literally cut out all of that back and forth I would have to do on the back end. And that's the point. I don't want to do that tonight or moving forward for the next couple of books. So if I want to animate, I will come at it from a fresh canvas. So I'll take the same setup and just reiterate it for that purpose. But since I know that this is strictly going to be for the storybook, no animation, we're going to run straight through it. So I'm working on the cover. Oh, let me turn the music back on. while we wait. I may have to regenerate. The music be coming in loud. Okay, there we go. Yeah, let me take these numbers out. Sometimes the ratio part, they don't like that. So these are my subject images. This is Pip, and this is his main element, which is his backpack. Right now, we're just working through trying to create the front cover right now. We may have to generate this a couple of times. I might even have to set up a scene over here. But it'll get done eventually. That's all that matters. Okay. Ooh. I really, honestly, don't even need to do nothing else. I just need to make sure everything's spelled correctly. Pip's World Tour, written by Rosemary Salem. Boom. Honestly, I don't even have to do nothing else. That's hard. I like that a lot. Let me make sure my name's spelled correctly. Okay. The font is a little different, so you gotta make sure, child. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time over here. If it doesn't produce, I'll just move on to scene one. It's no problem. But that looks beautiful. That cover looks amazing. Okay, now we have some other versions, but his backpack all rolled up, so neither one of these work. I am just gonna test my luck with this one because I know one is gonna fit right into what I needed to fit into without it being an issue. I'm gonna try one more time, and if I don't get nothing better than what I have, I'll move on to scene one. I've gotten better at my timing too. I remember this used to take to produce a book, man. That it used to take me a whole day almost. And I mean, even this is kind of cute. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. No, this looks legendary. What y'all think? First of all, y'all can't talk to me because I didn't turn on the chat. I'm so sorry, Twitch. Don't get mad at me. You know I forget. Okay, I just connected the chat. But yes, I like these. Like, hold on, wait. I gotta delete this one. Okay. Pip look a little swole, but other than that, it's okay. Let me make sure everything's spelled correctly. That's the biggest thing. Pip's World Tour. The invite. Let me answer. Okay. So we got two to go with. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the first scene. And I'm just gonna be working through everything. I'll be commentating, but mostly it'll be just the music playing because I'm trying to vibe out and get this done. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. All right, y'all. So just to give y'all a little insight, I've redoing everything from jump because it wasn't flowing the way I wanted it to. So if you've been following along, you like, why she keep redoing that? It's because I'm trying to get the scenes to look how I envision it. So that's what we're doing right now. So I'm literally starting over from scene one for the third time. And I've kept some of the scenes on the board that I like just so I can kind of see which ones I may want to keep for the final breakdown of the book. But right now, that's what we're doing. This is for those of you who are just joining. We are working on a PIP storybook, my character, and this is Pip's World Tour. So, yeah, I'm gonna go back on mute and keep working. Okay, people, we have a pickle. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Turn this background music down a little bit so y'all can hear what I'm saying. So we have a pickle. His backpack, for whatever reason, is just tonight is like refusing not to roll up. So I'm actually just gonna roll with the punches. So we're gonna refresh one more time, start over. If it rolls up from scene one, I'm just gonna roll with it because at least with the roll up backpack, we can get a consistent roll up backpack just so we can get some more progress. Because I didn't even know, I didn't realize, sorry, I get a little too comfortable with y'all on stream, but I didn't realize that we were already an hour in. So um, let's get it. I'm focused now. I didn't pulled out my focus. I didn't even know what time it was. So we're gonna start over. I know y'all like, ooh. Well, some of y'all probably are just watching, tuning in. But I'm gonna clear the board and start over. And if the backpack continues to roll up, then I'm gonna keep that version for this one. It is a world traveler, so it rolls with the theme. It's okay. I can let it go for tonight until I continue to work through these challenges um, with the consistency of his backpack. But thank y'all for tuning in. I see some new people have joined. Welcome. Fix this layout here. No, that's not how I wanted it. Okay, there we go. So I forgot to set up the dimensions when I reset up the board. So these are my subject images that I normally use. I'm going over here to the aspect ratio under settings and I'm choosing square. This is going to lessen my illustration work at the end. I transitioned outside, so if y'all hear like extra noise, that's why. Okay, these are beautiful. Both of them look very nice. Unfortunately, I can't use this first one, but the second one looks really nice. And I believe everything is spelled correctly. That's the stickler part about this. But yeah, that's our cover. And you see how in seconds we got you they go that rolled up backpack. So it looks like we're gonna have a rolled up backpack for this story. But again, for this one I'll be lenient and let it go. Moving forward, I'm fighting to the end to get this backpack flat. But since this is a world tour, a traveling type theme book, I believe it's okay for this one. Okay, I just wanted to comment on why I got rid of those last two or those last four. They were a completely different texture of illustration style, and that's why I added a style image to kind of put the model back into focus. That we need this same cartoonish digital art illustration look We don't need the realistic version. I have created some books that were realistic version, a little more realistic version, but still storybook before. But since we've started off with this, I needed to keep the same consistency. So I just wanted to note why I did that. Okay, since I kind of surrendered to the rolled up backpack, as you can see, we are now flowing through the scenes. We are one, two, three, four, five. We're on scene six, going on scene six now. So everything looks good. It was just the backpack that was holding us back. But I kind of compromised, definitely compromised. I didn't kind of, but with that compromise, we're seeing progressive movement and consistency. So we should be done shortly. Thank y'all for tuning in. Hope you're enjoying. Okay, so y'all see this? One, two, three. You got three hands on this one, and you got three hands on this one. So we have to delete these and start over. That happens sometimes, so this is why it's good to like I really go fast just so I I'm used to it, but still be mindful. You see this third paw? All of these have three paws. That's unacceptable. So I'm actually gonna look at the prompt too to make sure we're not the reason why there's three paws coming. Okay, so we just had to get rid of the waving altogether, the waving of the hand. All right, y'all. We have completed the entire book, literally. Um, I'm excited. It's finished. All I got to do is, of course, add the story text, do the formatting, which I won't be doing that live on here. But you all can see that we literally have all 20 scenes. He went to, just to give you some context, he went to Japan, Brazil, Norway, and I think that was all the countries he visited in this story. So, yes, this is Pip's world tour. We completed all of the scenes. It's funny how at the end it wanted to unroll the backpack, the shade of it all. But nevertheless, we got through it. And the best part, these are literally ready made. So I literally, all I have to do is download them. They're automatically saved to my library on here. So yeah, come back tomorrow for another live stream tutorial. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be working on tomorrow because, like I said, I've been catching up on a lot of stuff when it comes to him and getting stuff uploaded so more books can be published. Because right now we only have 7 out, and 2 of those are coloring books slash activity books. So I hope you all enjoyed the stream. Thank you all who, like, y'all were loyal. Y'all stayed on the entire time. This hasn't been the longest stream, but I will say it was the most challenging. So I'm giving myself a pat on the back for perseverance and resilience tonight. But again, thank y'all. I appreciate your presence. I hope you all enjoyed tonight's stream. Let me stop sharing. And I will see y'all on tomorrow. Love y'all with the love of Christ. Good night. Bye bye. Depending on what time zone you're in.